Welcome to the Remote Jobs Hub channel, your opportunity channel. Kindly like this video and don't forget to hit that subscription button. Hello and welcome. We will start today's video with talking about the sites that can really help you as an individual to get training for the jobs that you're talking about in our channel. We're talking about remote jobs, and in this particular section we're going to look at Allison.com. Allison.com is a platform that will help you as an individual to get educated, to get trained on various sectors that you like to work on, and they go ahead and do a certification for you, be it a certificate, normal certificate, or a diploma that you want. If you scroll down on this site, you'll find that they have those particular sections. Here you can see all certificates, all diploma. Let's just click on your diploma to see actually what they are actually offering. Now, if you look at this, you see top free online diplomas. The top free online diplomas, they have diploma in caregiving, diploma in workspace safety and health, diploma in nursing and patient care. There's so many of them. Diploma in dog grooming, diploma in food safety, diploma in special needs, diploma in operation management OPS, diploma in human resource. So many diploma courses which they're actually offering to you for free at no cost. And these are very nice diplomas which you can attach to your CV and boost that CV as you're looking for that remote job. You can see there is IT, health, personal development, sales and marketing, language, teaching and academics, business, so many of them. The list is endless. Apart from teaching you, apart from taking you through a course which they are actually going to award a certificate for, they have gone ahead and given you an opportunity to earn as you learn. You can become an affiliate in this Allison. You become an affiliate, you promote the site, you promote the learning certificates and all that, and you are able also to learn. This is something also, as we're talking about earning remotely, is something also will boost you as you're learning. You're also promoting your link and you'll be earning remotely. You register, then you buy, then you earn 20% of the revenue generated by new learners you bring to Allison. 20% is quite a huge amount to earn remotely and as you're learning. Earn money and gain experience, quick and free to join. Will help. They are saying very well. They are going to help you to actually achieve all that. So this is a site that you should not let go. You can see for myself, I'm already a learner. They have done quite. I have already 4 certificates which I can claim, and I'm still continuing as a course that I'm continuing. So it's a site that actually I highly recommend you to join and work with them. Sites to go and learn more: academy.hubspot.com. This is a very good site that will go get courses and get certification. You're learning with them. They are training you at very affordable, even some free. You just need to log in, create an account, and you're able to learn how to build your business as a black entrepreneur. A general data protection regulation course, short course on GDPR, critical thinking and problem solving. Today's thinking, critically thinking, inbound market optimization, digital marketing, Hasbro CMS, developers for developers, inbound SEO, social media marketing, YouTube marketing course, content marketing, email marketing, inbound sales. These are courses that you'll be have the certification. They actually give a weight to your CV, that when this company wants to hire you remotely, is actually looking at the kind of certificate you're presenting, the kind of CV you're presenting to them, and they feel if we cannot work with this person, then who else can we work with? And I believe that is all what you are looking for. You have to be at the market, and you have to be clean, the cream of this particular online remote market, because as much as there is remote, competition is higher. Good paying jobs require also better and greater qualification, and I know academy.havspot.com is going to give you those courses, and you can see their courses are not that long. 4 lessons, 6 lessons, 4 lessons, 5 lessons, 5 lessons. I guess the highest is 7 lessons so far. So I believe this is a good platform where you can actually boost your curriculum in time, and also boost your opportunity, your chance to get higher. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel.